Hello there, BoBo, the big hunter, is back again. If you are new to Bitcoin, you probably heard a lot of noise. Some people say it's risky, some say it's the future, some say it's a scam. But the truth is simple. Bitcoin is the most important upgrade to money in 5,000 years. And today, I will show you exactly why. Okay? Bitcoin is digital money you can send anywhere in the world. And it's not controlled by any government, banks, or company. It's the money that runs on mathematics, not politics, on rules, not by rulers. Bitcoin is the first money that is borderless, permissionless, censorship resistant, limited in supply, and owned directly by you. This is what makes Bitcoin different from everything else. Bitcoin was created after the 2008 financial crisis. Bank collapse, people lost money, government print trillions. Bitcoin was designed as a solution, a form of money that cannot be printed, inflated, or manipulated. It's the first money that protects you from inflation, corruption, financial control, bank failure, and political decisions. Bitcoin is a financial independence. Bitcoin runs on a network of thousands of computers around the world. These computers verify every transaction. No single person controls it. No government can shut it down. No bank can freeze it. The system is called the blockchain, a public ledger that records everything transparently. It's like a global spreadsheet that everyone can see, but no one can cheat. Bitcoin has value because it's limited only to 21 million, it's secure, it's global, it's independent, it's predictable, and it's trusted. People trust Bitcoin because it's the first money that doesn't change the rules. Government change rules, bank change rules, Bitcoin doesn't. Bitcoin matters because it gives you control. If you live in a country with inflation, Bitcoin protects your saving. And if you live in a country with strict banking rules, Bitcoin gives you freedom. If you live in a country with unstable currency, Bitcoin gives you stability. Bitcoin is not just an investment, it's a lifeline. This is just the beginning. In the next episode, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin safely, how to store it, how to protect yourself, how Bitcoin fits into your life. Welcome to the beginners series again. Let's build our Bitcoin foundation together going forward, okay? Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.